What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Redcat Volcano 1/16 scale. Volcano. This car ain't bad. It's not bad at all. My wife purchased this at an RC Discount Superstore for only 80 bucks. Great deal. RC Discount Superstore, Adam, he gives you some nice prices, man. You can't beat him. I wasn't supposed to buy another car, but I bought me a Armor Crichton 8S, and I really wasn't supposed to spend no more money right after Christmas, especially that much. But it was at such a good deal, I couldn't resist. I already unboxed it. I just got the box sitting up there. I'm gonna let you see what comes in the box. I already added the stickers and added my own decals to it. You know how I do. Open the pack yet, but what comes in the box comes with a battery, some zip ties. I don't know what these wires are for. I guess some extra wires for the ESC charger, if I didn't say it. Extra pins. Oh, I gotta check that out. See what that is. And it come with this controller here, which it's not that bad. It's not bad at all. I don't know the range on this. 2.4 gigahertz. And it said this includes 2 batteries. See on the box, include 2 batteries and the charger, wall charger, USB charger. It's brushed. I don't know exactly what the specs on the brush motor is, but I'll put it in the link in the I'll put it in the description below. Got the 2-in-1 receiver and ESC, which I don't really like that, but it's 1/16 scale, only 80 bucks, what you expect. This is the car out the box. Now, just in case you don't have one and don't know what this is, it doesn't come with the white decal on the tires. I mean the white written words on the tires. It comes with the stickers that I got on the inside of the rim, and it don't come with the Ford sign. I just added that, and it don't come with that little thing right there. But this ain't a bad car. The suspension is real jumpy. I don't really like that, but 1/16 scale, you really, damn, all that dust. It comes with these clips with a little grip on the end of them because they're flat clips. This is not bad though. This thing is a little quick. I drove it and everything. It's a little quick. Come with shocks, adjustable shocks, but these are not oil-filled shocks. I took them apart to see what it was. It's not oil-filled shocks, they're just shocks. You can just tighten them up. You can add shocks like oil-filled shocks, which I think would do it some justice. And here go the system in there. This is small cam. I don't know what, maybe a 350, 250 cam. And this is the ESC. The ESC and, oh, I see what that is. That's that little port is to add an extra, maybe you can add lights or something to it, or a fan. That little port right there, I see what those things is for. And then it include the battery right there. They leave that battery in there. One in the bag and then one in the car. They got all plastic. It got dog bones in the front. Let's see. I don't know what they feel like. Look like metal dog bones in the front. Metal dog bones in the back. If you can see that. They got a aluminum drive shaft in the middle. 4-wheel drive. This is the on switch right. This is the on switch right here. Yeah, I like how they made this. It's a little too compact. You know, the servo seems pretty good, but all the specs for the car be below. They come with XT90 plugs, which is a good thing. The batteries you get in there are 800 Li-ion 2.4 volts. 800. Like about this, I kind of like this switch right here on the outside, because then you can put the body on. You ain't got to cut it on then put the body on, so it's a little faster. But if you get a bashing RC, you really don't want that switch right there. That'll be full of dirt and everything else. All right, let's see how she goes. Let's check her out now on the road. At least on the basement road. It's a nice little budget RC too. I like how I did them tires, but y'all know I like to do that to my tires. Steering the servo is not bad. Oh, cat move. My cat loves these cars. I wish he learned to move. And then my cat's gonna get in the action. If my cat ain't scared, he ain't gonna move neither. Even my cat know I got whip game. He like, I'm cool. Yeah, I'm getting him started. Yeah, it got good handling. I don't know how stable it is. I mean, it's stable in the house, but I couldn't imagine it's brushless. Move, cat, I can't see. Yeah, I got it. I can't even move, cat. The cat approved the car, so my cat gives it a 10. This is a good house basher. This is the best house basher I got. Yeah, even got a blue underglow, so you can tell it's on. Yeah, I put the bed, made the bed black in there, but this is decal. Hey, I like this little truck. I like this little truck. Picks up pretty fast. The power system in here is pretty good for this. That's how it looks on the inside with it on. Got that little blue LED light. Just cut it off. Motor not even warm, but I ain't really do too much. Nice little budget RC. But as always, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, notification bell. Make a comment, subscribe. Oh yeah, and Happy New Year's.